let's understand the matrices with the first definition. So a matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers. A matrix is simply an arrangement of numbers, rectangular arrangement of numbers. For example, you can say that we arrange the students in like row and column. So same here, we in matrix we represent the numbers in the form of row and column. So general form of the matrix is, and we always denote the matrix with capital letter of A, B, C up to so on. You can take here any of, but always capital, and elements like a small cap, A11, A12 like this, and general form of the matrix is Aij and M cross N. And here you can see that I written here M cross N and I and J. Let's understand these terms. So here M cross N is called the order of matrix. And now what is the meaning of order? Order just tells us the size of the matrix. And order written always written like this: number of rows cross number of columns. Always order written always like this. And here Aij means, like I means I denotes the element at ith row and jth column. Now let's expand this matrix, and we can write here A11, A12, A13 up to so on A1n, and similarly here A1, A21, A22, A23 up to so on A2n, and here similarly an1 and up to so on an. Here you can see that the A11 means the first row and first column element, and similarly first row and second column elements. And what is the order of this? Like M cross N. Like N means the number of rows and N is the number of columns. So what is the row? Row is just a horizontal line. Horizontal elements are called row, and vertical elements are called column. So for example, we write A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is what is the order of this matrix? How many rows in this matrix are 2? So write here 2 and cross how many columns in this matrix? 1, 2, 3. So order of this matrix is 2 cross 3. And how many elements are in there? 6 elements are in there. And you can write in this form this matrix. Like you can write this matrix in A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, and A31, A32, and A33. So you can compare this. A11 is 1, and similarly A12 is